Hi, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, and today we'll be checking out Kamado Joe 3 grills. This grill comes in two sizes, the Classic Joe and the Big Joe. Kamado Joe is always innovative in their products, and there's no exception to this series. Let's get to it. When it comes to cooking space, the Classic Joe has an 18-inch grid diameter, and the Big Joe has a 24-inch diameter. Both sizes come with the same features, but we'll be looking at the Classic 3 today. The cooking grids are made out of 304 stainless steel for lasting durability and are designed in half-moon sections, making it easy to add charcoal and smoking wood. The Kamado Joe 3 series comes with the Divide and Conquer 3-tier system. This adds a lot of flexibility for cooking with different heat zones. These two half-moon heat deflectors are also included. Use both deflectors for a totally indirect heat setup, perfect for baking, or go half and half when you want to cook with different styles at the same time. I love the extreme heat difference you get with this system. I set up my high heat steak zone on the left, right over the searing heat of the coals, and baked these bacon and cheese stuffed peppers on the right, over the heat deflector with the cooking grate on the top level. The thick ceramic construction of Kamado Joe, paired with the heat coming off this charcoal, made for a beautiful crust on this steak. Once the peppers were done, I used the indirect side to cook the steak the rest of the way through and render the fat. This also gave it some time to soak up some extra smoky flavor. This came out juicy, and you just can't beat the flavor of charcoal. In addition to Divide and Conquer, the Kamado Joe 3 series comes with the patented SlōRoller Hyperbolic Smoke Chamber accessory. Kamado Joe used Harvard science to develop this SlōRoller, which was engineered to create up to 20 times more smoke circulation within the grill. It sits directly over the firebox, creating optimal airflow and heat distribution for smoking. As the smoke rises, it creates spirals over the cooking area, giving food more smoke flavor with the same amount of fuel. The top of the SlōRoller is removable for easy addition of wood chunks when needed. The Divide and Conquer rack sits directly on top of it, so you can use this included accessory rack to set a water pan under the cooking grids for added moisture. For these ribs, I did a 50-50 mix of apple cider and apple cider vinegar. I went with cherry for the wood chunks. It really complements pork. Because the Divide and Conquer rack sits on top of the SlōRoller, the cooking grids actually sit higher with this setup. This means even more space between the coals and cooking grids, which is ideal for smoking. This is what they look like after about an hour of smoking. As you can see, the SlōRoller certainly does a good job at coating them with smoke. Because Kamado Joe is constructed with thick ceramic, you will also find this to be an incredibly efficient and straightforward grill to maintain steady smoking temps on. One load of charcoal in this grill can certainly cruise at smoking temps for overnight cooks without needing to refuel. These ribs got some beautiful color on them. After a few hours, they were looking smoked to perfection. Check out that smoke ring and tenderness. That's what it's all about. The firebox area of Kamado Joe 3 uses their advanced multiple panel design, which is held together by a 304 stainless steel ring. These panels give the ceramic room to expand and contract, adding to durability. With the grill body and firebox being made of ceramic, this grill radiates heat from all directions, giving you an even cooking environment for something like burgers and plenty of heat retention for searing steak. Kamado Joe 3 grills come with a 304 stainless steel charcoal basket inside of the firebox, which has an included divider for times you want to bank your coals to one side. The charcoal basket easily lifts out, which is nice when you need to shake out the remaining ashes before relighting your leftover charcoal. The bottom grates are made of thick stainless rods, which is a nice improvement over the previous cast iron grate design, still used by many other Kamado grills. Any ash that falls through the charcoal basket can be easily removed with the patented ash collector. For a tight seal, Kamado Joe 3 has a 304 stainless steel latch as well as 2 wire mesh fiberglass gaskets around the lip of the grill. This does an excellent job at keeping flavorful smoke inside the grill and preventing heat from escaping, adding to the efficiency of this grill. The lid of this series is secured with Kamado Joe's airlift hinge. This supports the weight of the ceramic lid, making it easy enough to lift with one finger. When it comes to adjusting the grill temperature, Air intake for Kamado Joe 3 grills can be controlled by sliding this 304 stainless steel bottom damper. And you can fine-tune your airflow with the control tower top vent. It's designed to stay precisely set, even when opening the lid. This roof shape makes it rain resistant, and the vent is made out of powder-coated, die-cast aluminum to resist corrosion. For wide open airflow, it can be completely kicked to the side. To monitor your temperature, there is a lid-mounted thermometer. The Kamado Joe 3 cart features aluminum side shelves, making them a convenient place to set items hot off the grill. Both shelves have hooks for keeping grill tools close at hand and can be folded down for storage. The bottom portion of the cart is constructed with heavy-duty galvanized steel. It's designed with a storage shelf made to fit accessories like the SlōRoller perfectly. There's also a spot to clip temp probes when using a temp controller accessory like the iCommand. Kamado Joe 3 grills come with a great gripper tool, perfect for lifting hot grids, and an ash cleaning tool is also included. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Kamado Joe or their products, give us a call or visit us online. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. And remember, at BBQGuys, we smoke the competition.